Guys, until we figure out how to mount this TV on this Peterbilt 389, which I don't know because I'm running out of options, because I thought right there by this big window, like the Cascadias and the other trucks, is like a screw and you can just take it out, but this one is not like that, so that would be not an option. So till then, I'm just grabbing my table, the one that I eat with, and the TV's got legs, so it stays right there. I mean, I could just jump around and it moves, but I mean, it's just not going anywhere. So for now, that's working. But I didn't have a remote control, so I did purchase this remote control Ultra Pro Roku TV replacement remote. Now, it is not a Roku. See, looks like it though. I think it's better. It's cheaper, so I figured why not just get something that kind of looks like it, so we can go ahead and unbox this real quick. Bam! I mean, check that out if you're thinking about buying this one. See? I think it's nicer. Same, it's pretty much the same thing though. Some batteries that I'm gonna put on right now, and then let me see, let's put some battery. Boom, just like that, magic. I also bought this rechargeable Energizer battery thing, $17. Comes with the batteries, because the Xbox, it's cheaper to do it that way than getting the Xbox batteries and all that. Trust me, I figured it out, it's cheaper this way, and it's just the same. So these things don't come with batteries, so, but these are rechargeable. You don't have to buy batteries again until they break, and they take forever to break. So, you know, and I still got them for years, and still, man, everything's difficult one-handed, huh? Definitely. All right, good. Moment of truth. It says this should work automatically. Bam! That's what I'm talking about. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, it works, guys. Guys, it freaking works. Wait, the X was in the way of the little thing there. Let's see. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. For sure, man, it works. Look at this. Bam, 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 bam. Yep, that's worth it. $7, Walmart, baby.